Hi, my name is Chirag Gupta, and in this video I will talk about how you can import your custom OpenCV code into Simulink. The Computer Vision Toolbox OpenCV interface for Simulink makes it easy to import handwritten OpenCV algorithms into Simulink. These blocks can then be used in Simulink models for simulation as well as code generation. In this video, we'll use a cartoonizer algorithm and import it to Simulink as a block. First, let's get started with installing the support package. You can install the Computer Vision Toolbox OpenCV interface for Simulink through the Add-on Explorer. Search for OpenCV Simulink and install the package by clicking on the Install button. When the support package is installed, you will find the OpenCV Importer app under My Apps. Click on it to launch the app. The app is a step-by-step wizard that makes it easy to import your code. In this case, we have set up the source file and include files to import the cartoonizer code. You can also specify additional include or library paths as required. Click on Next for the importer to pass the code for functions to import. In this case, the function we import is the cartoonize function. We can click on Next and then specify the arguments as required. We can also specify the defaults for the OpenCV data types. The importer will create a block for the function. This block can then be used in the model. In this model, I have set up the From Multimedia block and a video viewer along with simple controls for the parameters. We can click on the block to adjust the size of the image to match the video block. And then we can simulate the model. As you can see from the simulation, we are now running OpenCV code inside Simulink. Changing the parameter values shows in the image changes. So this video shows you how you can import OpenCV code into Simulink. Thank you.